Hi, welcome to Let Us Excel. Today we will see how to get multiple results, lookup results against the single lookup value using a formula called filter. Now let's see what we have here. Here we have Alex, Bob, Cindy, the names of employees, and here we need to list down expertise. Now here in this lookup table there are multiple expertise against a single person. If we use VLOOKUP, we will get only one of the values, but we want multiple values. So let's see how to do that. So let me write a formula equals filter. Now what is the array we want to filter? We just need expertise. So we will select this column or this range. Let us lock it, comma. Now here we need to specify the condition. When to get the value? What is the condition? So we need the name, which is this range. Let's lock the range, equals this name here. Now let's close it. Let's see what values do we get. Now we have got all the values, but they are split into a number of rows. So what do we do? How do we uh, combine them? So let's first use a function called transpose function, or let's directly try to join all the text using a function called text join. Let's see if it works first. Text join. What is the delimiter that we want to use? Comma. Ignore empty cells. Let's select yes. Comma. And then the rest of the parameters are the number of text that you want to join, which we are going to get from the filter function. Let's close. And that's how we can get multiple values. Now let's copy this and paste it here. Now let's take it one step further. Uh, let's try to get the skill sets or the expertise which are related only to computer. So how to do it? So let's use filter function equals filter. Now again, what is the array? It's this range of expertise. Let us lock the range. Now what to include? Now what is the first condition? The first condition I'm going to enclose it into bracket since there are multiple conditions. So equals or into bracket this name range here, let us lock it, equals the name, which is Alex. Now what is the next condition? The expertise type should equal computer. And what is the logical operator that we need to use? It is the AND operator. So in order to use AND operator, we should use a multiplication sign, and then let us specify another condition in next bracket. So this range here, and let us lock it, equals. Now let us specify this either in double quotes since it is a text, or we can select this cell as well, but let me just hard code it for now. Now these two conditions are getting multiplied. Now let me close the filter function. Once again we have got these values in multiple rows. Now we need to join them. So we will use another function called text join. We'll use the delimiter as comma. We will ignore empty cells. True. That's it. Let us close it. And yes, so here we see how to get multiple lookup results against a single lookup value using a filter function. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Thank you.